Hey guys, happy Wednesday. I am going to go through what you need to work on today with you guys and show you where to find everything that you will need for today and probably for most days this week. So, first things first, you are now seeing where I'm posting the day 18 announcements and videos. You guys know that that's the thing you have to check here every day. It says in all caps right there. Um, so first things first, I want you to go to the morning meeting slide for today, and I want you to go answer the prompt there so that I know that you have come on Google Classroom. It's my little attendance way of taking it. After you've done the morning meeting slide, I want you to go and now and click on this Wednesday to do. So this is everything you need to do for today, Wednesday only. So click on that, and you will see everything I've put up here. So for math, I've put the title of the lessons that are assigned on Khan Academy. For on-level math, it's converting units of time. For advanced math, it's dividing decimals by whole numbers. And also, so that's separate depending on which math class you're in. However, you both have Khan Academy. And then everyone has to get at least 10 minutes of iReady Math today. So by the end of today, you should have 30 minutes. And a green light on reflex today. If you need any helpful videos for math that are not seen on Khan Academy on this post, you will see I have linked the helpful math videos below. So it's all about converting units of time, hours to minutes, minutes to hours, minutes to seconds. So on level math kiddos, these videos are kind of some extra help for you with your Khan Academy lessons. For advanced math, we've already learned how to divide decimals, so I didn't include videos because it's more of a review for you right now. Also, let's go back to our to-do slide. For writing, every day you're going to need to be going to that writing journal, and I'm going to show you again in a second where to find that. So if you will just click this link for your writing journal, it opens up the... Give me a second. Okay, so to find the writing journal, let's see if this helps. I don't know why the link's not working. I'll update it right now. But when you're on my Google Classroom, there's a writing journal. Give me 1 second to get there. Under Digital Learning Resources Week 4, there's that writing journal I've created for you. I've said this so many times on Zoom video meetings, on these videos, and here. Do not type on this file you see right here. You need to make your own copy. So click your writing journal. Today would be your Wednesday day 3 prompt. So this would be your third paragraph you should have written for the week. But as soon as this loads, let's go. Once the writing journal loads, if you have not done this already, if you have, don't make another copy. But if you haven't, you need to click on File. You need to click on Make a Copy of the entire presentation. And then you're going to create a copy of the writing journal, okay? Click OK. That will now make a copy of it, not the original one. See how this one does not have the word copy here? Don't write on the one that says just writing journal. Only write on the one that's a copy, and that is your own writing journal. Okay, type your name here so you know it's yours. And then this will be a file that you can use every day now. You don't need to go to Google Classroom to find it where I just showed you. If you go to your Drive, let me show you. If you just go to your Google Drive now, which is different than Classroom, it looks like this icon right here. But when you go to your Drive, your writing journal will be right there. So you just need to open up from your Drive your writing journal to do each day's prompt. So again, today's Wednesday, day 3. So go down to Wednesday. You should have done Monday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Looks like somebody typed on it. I'll have to fix that. Today's Wednesday. It says select a hobby, activity, or sport that you enjoy. Create a list. 10 important facts about blank. So you're going to type on that on your copy of it, not on the writing journal one originally. If you still don't know how to make a copy of it and you know you're the one that's typing on the class one, message me, email me, call me. I got to get that fixed because there's no more typing on the one that's for the whole class. That one is not to be typed on. It's only to be made a copy of for others to have. After you've done your writing prompt, for reading today, you have a ReadWorks assigned text. So when you're on your Google Classroom, you'll see that under Week 4, digital learning resources. It's either yours is either Honey to the Bee or the Ever-Changing Sky, so check out which one you need to complete today. And then also, this is a helpful video for today's learning skill for reading. It's main idea of a nonfiction text, and also get 10 minutes on iReady for reading. So you should have 30 minutes for reading by the end of today, 30 minutes for math by the end of today. Okay? Khan Academy lesson, ReadWorks, writing journal entry. Go to your math teacher Zoom chat if you need help with what you're learning, or if you have a question about anything involving math, where to find something even. Same for me, for reading. Today's reading Zoom will be the whole class, not reading groups. That's only Tuesdays and Thursdays. So I hope to see all your beautiful faces on the reading Zoom today at 1. Please ask questions if you need help with anything at all. And love you guys. See you later.